Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to calculate wear strength of a gear tooth. Okay, so the wear strength by Buckingham's equation, it is given by SW is equal to dp b q k, where dp is nothing but the circle diameter of pinion, b is nothing but the face width, q is a ratio factor, and k is load stress factor. Okay, so now dp you can calculate from module and number of teeth on pinion. So you can calculate dp by m into zp, where m is module and zp is nothing but number of teeth on pinion. Now b is the face width, and face width is normally given in terms of module, like 10 module, 9 module, 11 module, like that. So if it is not given, you can assume b as 10 module. If not given, you can assume. Okay, 10 module. Then after that, q is nothing but your ratio factor, and ratio factor you can calculate 2 times zg divided by zg plus zp. For external gear pair, for external gear pair, and q is equal to 2zg divided by zg minus zp for internal gear pair. Okay, so according to the external or internal gear pair, you have to select the formula of q. So 2zg plus divided by zg plus zp, or 2zg divided by zg minus zp. Okay, so two formulas are there for q. Then k is load stress factor, and it is depend on the material. Okay, steel pinion, steel, or whatever the material of the gear pair. So here again there are few formulas of the k. So first formula of k is 0.16 bhn by 100 square. So this is used for steel pinion and steel gear. Okay, so it is for steel pinion and steel gear. Okay, similarly for another material like cast iron pinion and cast iron gear, k is given as 0.21 bhn by 100 square for cast iron pinion and cast iron gear. Okay, and again k is equal to 0.18 bhn by 100 square for steel pinion and steel gear. Okay, so there are again three formulas for k. So 0.16, 0.21 and 0.18. Okay, for steel pinion and steel gear, for cast iron pinion, cast iron gear, and for steel pinion and cast iron gear. So you can calculate the formula according to the you can calculate k according to the material, you can calculate q according to the external or internal gear pair, you can get b, and you can calculate dp, and if you substitute all these value, you will get SW, wear strength of the gear tooth. Okay, thank you.